everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Barry's having a great day, staying safe and all that fun stuff. And also my condolences go out to George Floyd's family. My prayers for everyone, and I hope everything works out great. All right, so today I have a unboxing. It's from Disney Character Warehouse. This box was in my postal box for a couple months during the pandemic. It's still going on. However, I was able to brokerage it into Canada through Leatherlock. They're pretty good. So it finally came. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, let me go ahead and unbox it real quick here. Alright, we'll get it open. And the fees weren't too bad. They were a little bit high, but what can you do? I mean, it's kind of hard. But anyways, so if you do have a postal box in the States and you're in another country, there is brokerage houses that will go get your parcels and mail them to you. However, there will be cost along with customs and duty, so just be aware of that. All right, but sometimes you just got to get your stuff. You don't have a choice, unfortunately. All right, so I already go ahead and unboxed it. Came in a box like this for Character Warehouse, so let's go ahead and see what I got. All right, got a Starbucks Happy Holidays mug. So that's gonna be pretty cool. It's green and red. Starbucks. Yeah, it's got a really cool tree on there. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I normally do a video at least once a week, sometimes more. So please do that. And if you're returning, thanks so much for returning and your support. All right, let's see what else I got here. All right, this looks like a... I don't think it's a Spirit jersey. It's not. It may be, but it has Minnie Mouse on the back, and it has Minnie Mouse on the front. Kind of cute. So I'll be looking forward to using that. Right, and I got some balloon leggings here. Kind of neat. There's little Mickey balloons on it. These are really comfortable. And these are pretty true to size, so if you wear a large or extra large, it's going to be pretty close to your size. All right. Oh, and I got, these are gifts. These say Noel, has Mickey on it. These are Christmas stockings that I'm going to fill up for my grandkids and my daughter. And let's see what's inside here. Oh, here's like a little toy set with Penelope. Who else we got in here? Well, it's from Toy Story, so we got Woody. Got a few other characters. Pretty cool. All right, so stick that in there. Okay, so I got 3 of these. They're the same. They're really big. Look how big they are. Little pom-poms, so that's going to be cool. Alright, what else we got here? Here's some holiday cheer. This is like a water with a lot of glitter. Okay, we got 4 of these. These are like little makeup palettes. They're pretty good size. They're not as small as I thought they may be. Okay. Alright, we got some Alex and Annie bracelets, say wishes. They're green. Says wishes on there. Got a couple of those. I got a Tinkerbell one. These are really cool. Alright, what else we got here? Okay, we got some Melissa sent postcards. You can frame these. These are by the Wonderground Gallery. So they're getting kind of bent up, so I better even those out. Alright. Alright, got some socks. We have Mr. Toad. Kind of a cool design. Alright, we got some cherries. Yeah, these are cool. And this looks like different parks. And here's another Mr. Toad. Okay. What else we got in here? Alright. Alright. Oh, and I got another Happy Holidays cruise mug. These are really nice. I had one, so I wanted to get another one. So I have like a little matching thing there. And then one of my princesses here. This is nice. This is Snow White, and it looks like it comes with a little brush. So this is pretty cool. And that's the back there. That's going to be one of my mini gifts here. Alright, so that's my Disney Character Warehouse haul for today. I hope everybody's having a great day, and until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.